What's good? It's your boy Chevy. We are back with another video, bro. What I got popping for you today, something special. Something special I've been sitting on for a couple weeks now. And once again, when I say a couple weeks, I mean a couple months. Yo, your boy copped a lot of this stuff right before the winter hit. The winter hit hard this year in upstate New York. If you know, you know. If you're from these areas, you already know the winter came crazy this year. And we honestly haven't had a winter this crazy since like 2012. So it's been a crazy winter, but I got something that I want to show you guys. I actually bought this when I bought the winter setup from my cousin Matt. Now, Matt had this right here, and I know it looks a little funky, but what is this, right? This is actually e-brake cover and all of that, right? Carbon fiber, bro, with the Alcantara. Bro, this is gonna look so good in the 440. I cannot wait to install this thing. It should be a quick, easy install. One of those things you guys should definitely get if it's something that you're interested in. I'm gonna make sure I put the link in the description below so you guys can holler at one of these. And this install should be super easy, so let's get started. But before we do that, let's get a cold start popping. I know it's been a minute since you guys have heard the cold start. 440 sounds good when it starts up. Let me show you. You already know when it comes to installs, it's time to throw the Crocs on. All right, gang, so now we in the whip. And before we get started, let me just show you guys what I'm talking about right here that we're going to switch out. It's right down here. This guy right here is coming out of here and being replaced carbon fiber, Alcantara, instead of this regular leather. Like, the leather is nice, but it's going to look so much better with that carbon fiber and Alcantara. I can't wait. Anyways, let's jump into the install. All right, so the first thing we got to do is what I see what most people do is they grab this piece and they pull it up, right? So now you got this part pulled up, and this is what we're working on. Next thing we got to do is actually push on this piece here and pull it this way. Just like that. Now that actually came out a lot better than I thought. I've seen a lot of people. And what I did was when I pushed on the button here and I was pulling up, around this back part, there's a little bit of plastic. And I push some fingers on there so I can pull it up and help it come off of there a lot easier. And that stuff is down here. And what I'm going to do is take this pry tool that I have, I'm going to pry down right down in here, see if we can get underneath there. Perfect. So now we got this pried up. This piece should come forward like this, and now your boot's out. You should be able to slide this guy right off. All right, from this angle, it's going to slide off like this. Boom. Now the old one's off. Just like that, the old one is off, bro. This is the leather. This is what I'm talking about. Bro, you ever seen what these look like without a cover on them? Look a little dusty. Let me show you. That's all it is behind the leather cover. It's like literally a metal stick with a little piece on the end that goes in there. Bro, let's get the new one. Oh man, it's gonna look so good. All right, so pretty much old one is off. New one, Alcantara with the carbon fiber. You're gonna slide this piece down in here. Slide your handle into place. You're gonna take this piece here and actually slide it, because on the back of here there's hooks that push inwards this way. So we're just going to push that back so it's in place. Slowly work the bottom in place now. All snapped in. Perfect. Now that it's all snapped in, what we're going to do is take this piece and push it back. Just like that. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, this joint looks so clean. Oh my God. Yo. All right, give me 1 second. Let me clean up the center dash real quick, and I'll hit you guys with the B-roll. Let's do it. All right, bro, I'm over here in the passenger seat. I'm honestly not trying to gas up this mod at all, bro, like at all. This thing looks so good. Take a look at this. This piece right here, the carbon fiber, is looking perfect with the interior that I already have. But maybe this is a sneak peek to a preview of what I got planned for the interior. Wink, wink. Steering wheel as well. Bro, that Alcantara looks so good. so clean, functions just like it did factory, looks even better. The Alcantara looks nice. Just gotta make sure I keep it nice and clean. Honestly, that's probably the hardest thing when you got Alcantara. The carbon fiber looks, man, and this is real carbon fiber. No fake stuff here. He had this on his F80 M3. Now your boy got it on his F36 440. You already know what it is. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna make sure I put the pry tools that I like to use down in the description for you guys to be able to use those links. Those are affiliate links. It helps the channel out if you use those links. I'm also make sure I send you guys over to Keys Motorsports. That's where he got this from. Perfect fit. Honestly, it looks so good inside the car right now. I couldn't ask for much more. It's your boy Chevy. We sign out with another video. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Oh yeah, and we almost have 1,500 subscribers. Thank you to every one of you guys. I see you new subscribers who have just added up to the channel. Man, I appreciate you guys. All the love you guys are showing. It's been awesome. Hope you guys are excited for this season. This car season's coming up. And another Watkins Glen run is coming up. You already know what that was looking like last time. If you didn't see that, make sure to check out that video when I went down in the GTI. Yeah, it was crazy. It was crazy. It was also fun getting on the track. And also somebody crashed on the track. That junk was nuts, bro. That was nuts. It was a Charger, if I'm not mistaken, man. It was about a year ago. So anyways, I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. You're a step to the money.
Yo, if you're still here and you sticking around, what I gotta go do is I gotta actually go drop some stuff off at the folks. So I gotta drop off the old tonneau cover over to my pops. Remember, he gave me the new tonneau cover, so I gotta put that in the truck. We're gonna dry that over there. Then I also got this little trampoline that the kids had, but they done grew out of it. Gotta go drop that off to my mom because I think she wanted to do something else with that little trampoline. So I'm gonna make sure I take that over to her. And if you guys couldn't hear, there's some birds chirping. Like, it's a beautiful day. It's 30-something degrees, 34 degrees, but it's much nicer than it was if you just watched my videos even a couple weeks ago when we had snow piles that were sitting up to like this high, bro. It's been a crazy winter. Let's get ready to roll out of here. Bro, it's so cold out here right now. This is the trampoline I've been talking about. And this is the old tonneau cover that was on the truck. If you guys don't remember, Pops hooked me up with the hard fold tonneau cover that I got on there right now, but I think works so perfectly. This is the old one, this is the soft one. It's all right, but I asked him if he wanted it. He might throw it on some other truck he got over at the shop or something like that. So I'm gonna swing that over to him right now too. Let's go ahead and strap that down real quick after playing a little bit of game of Tetris, and then we can run these things over. First, I gotta run this over to my mom, then I gotta run that over to my dad. You already know what it is. If I haven't showed you guys these ratchet straps right here, these are the ultimate ratchet straps. Bro, they automatically come back for you. This is sort of how you use it. Pull it out, you latch it on one spot here, latch the other side where you want it to go, and then when you have it down, you just go here and you're gonna crank it. You'll crank it down, and then when you're all done, you'll push this piece here, pull it in, go like that. It'll automatically retract in. Bro, no playing around with those long cords and everything like that. Like, I don't know how people do that. I did it for like 3 months, and I was like, bro, there's gotta be a better way. Found these right here. These are the quick loaders. When I used to move around my lawn machines and everything like that, bro, these were the move. These were the move. They made the job so much easier. Strapping down anything. You know, you gotta give it that obligatory. Yeah, that ain't going nowhere. Honestly, I need to tie this thing like crazy. My parents honestly live only around the corner from me, so I just gotta run it over there. Get you those ratchet straps. I'll show you what they look like right now. So boom, latches in here. I just really just ran it across to the other side over there. Makes it so perfect, so easy to use. And I think we're ready to roll out. All right, so I just showed up at the parents' crib. Pops is probably over at the shop. Mom says she over at that good old Target. So what she just asked me to do is just leave it on the porch. So go ahead and take it out the truck and then leave it on the porch. Bro, I ain't even gonna cap to y'all. Your boy almost lost this thing for a second. I ended up having to throw a bungee on the front part here just to sort of hold it down, but you already know what it is. Let's go ahead and move this thing over to the porch. Bro, let me show y'all what this is looking like real quick. Hello? I'm about to. It's up to you. All right, Mom. All right, change the plans. Mom just called me to call Pops. He'll lift the garage up so we can go ahead and put it in there. What's up? I'm at the house. I'm dropping off this little trampoline. Mommy want it. Are you able to open the garage? Yeah. Can you open it so I can drop it off in there? Yeah. Thank you. All right, so we're about to press the button to open up the garage. That's fire. I need that at the crib. No lie. All right, so the garage open up. As you guys see, C8 Vet looking monstrous in there. Bro, I got some surprises for you guys this season that he done put on the C8. You guys don't even know, bro. It's going to be crazy when you guys finally see it. I can't wait. And we got to get a 0-60 run on that this year and quarter-mile run. You already know what it is. But anyways, let me show you guys what I'm talking about with these ratchet straps. So boom, right here in the ratchet straps, you got one side connected up, other side connected up, right? All you got to do is you push on this, you'll flip it all the way open. Boom. It released. So now I can come over here, take it off. Take it all the way off. You can see it rolled all the way up in there. Take my other side off. Boom. She's done. Just like that, bro. Ain't no playing around, wrapping up cords, none of that stuff. Let's go ahead and move this trampoline into the garage. Gotta watch out for that good old vet. Sit that down in there. Bro, this vet is looking so good. No lie. No lie. Yo, back in the days, right over here is where my 5.0 used to sit. And then my Pops C5 and then the C6 was sitting over there. Bro, that junk was so clean. It used to be so mint back at the folks' cribs. Can't wait till my kids get older. Maybe they have some whips like that in the garage with me. All right, now let's run over to the shop and go ahead and drop off the tonneau cover. All right, we just popped up at Pop's shop. Let's see what he got popping over here right now. What's going on? We up in Pop's shop. This is what Pop be living like right here. You know what I'm saying? But we just popping over here real quick. Had to drop the tonneau cover off. Okay. We just doing like a little multi-point inspection or something?
No, I was doing something.
Got Broski in here too right now. You already know it's popping.
How you doing, big
So you already know.
That's it.
Look how tall he is, huh? Hold on, come here, huh? Look how tall he is. Let's take our trip around the shop real quick, bro. We talk a little loud because you already know your boy ain't trying to get copyright strike. All right, gang, so we just now leaving Pop shop, bro. Awesome time. Had to swing over there, see how everybody doing, catch up with everybody, talk to the bro for a little bit. If you guys are still rocking with me, thank you. I love you guys for showing that love. Anyways, it's your boy Chevy. We signing out with another one. Peace.